Hi everybody, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and help any students that may be struggling with how to find the Forsyth library to access for any assignments that you may have. You're going to go to the fhsu.edu website, and this is what pops up. It's a video and it shows all kinds of amazing things about Forsyth State University. But to get to the Forsyth library, you're going to want to click on Students. This is all the options that pop up. We're going to click on Library from here. This search bar is basically, as you can see, it says Database Query. This is what you're going to type in for whatever research article, research topic that you're looking for. I am going to go with Global Human Resources. And from here, as you can see, so many options pop up. There's over 3.5 million of them. Of these 3.5 million, you'll be able to filter down to peer-reviewed journals. Sorry about that. As the majority of your professors are not going to want anything in your research subject matter that is from the tabloids. They're not interested in that. You'll be able to filter that down further by resource type. If it's an article, it's a book, it's a video, it's anything like that. It's all right here. You'll be able to filter down further to the topic matters. Say, for example, social sciences. This would include your courses in theology, I believe, or humanities courses, things like that. And then this was my favorite part about this. You could filter it down to the publication date. A lot of your professors are going to expect your references to be within the previous 2 to 3 years, and some of them wanted an even shorter time frame of the previous 12 months. That can you can feel a little bit of a pinch, but by clicking this and filtering it, there's less of a pinch and less for you to have to go out and try to find on your own. If you find something here that you're like, oh, I think I may really, really need this, but I'm not sure, so I want to keep it, I don't want to lose it, and I may want to use it later. You're going to want to click on Add This Item. It's a little push pin. So you've clicked on that, and you saw this Go to My Favorites. You've just favorited the item with the push pin. This is everything that will pop up. Anything that you have clicked to save, add to your favorites, everything will pop up here that you'll be able to access to use as a different list of references, so you can have them at one click's notice, so you can click right to it to get busy with your assignment. Next up, I'm going to show you one other way that you can access the Forsyth Library, and that is from your Blackboard login. From here, if you're an online student, I'm not sure if non-online students have access to this as well, this is what's going to pop up. For me, it's easiest for me to align what I'm needing to look up by finding the course that I'm doing the research project for. From here, your professors are all going to have the list of resources, your assignments, your discussion boards. A lot of them will have your syllabi. Here, you're going to want to click on FHSU Helpful Resources, and that's exactly what it is, full of helpful items for you. We're going to navigate to the Forsyth Library. Click on it. It's going to open a secondary page for the Forsyth Library with different options of aids through there. Ask a Librarian Research Help is an amazing tool. I recommend you use it if you need a jumping point or if you're struggling with your project. They want you to succeed as much as your professors do. Ask for the help. They're there for it. You're going to want to click on Forsyth Library and Learning Commons. Takes you right back to that same page. Now, on a broader search, just generic human resources, and it will populate over 6.5 million results. That is hugely overwhelming if you look at it from that standpoint. Like, that is way too much to have to try and navigate through a single one at a time. Filters, 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 filters. They're awesome. I recommend them. I hope this has helped you try to get to your research aids a little bit easier. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them, or reach out to your professors or your librarians. Thanks.